Python, how can I iterate 20 columns and find the top column? I am new and maybe my question is silly, so I apologize in advance. Basically, I have data like this. I would like to make a new column called top scope and have the highest scope number that has true as output. I am trying for loop but I am not failing. Frown, can you please help me? I would really appreciate it.
Use dataframe.filter for all columns. Check order of columns by dataframe.illic and slicing, and last use dataframe.ixmax. More general solution is necessary for avoid wrong output if all false values with numpy.where and dataframe.any for test at least one true per rows.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.